camps have been set up and at least there is food.
Underdeveloped states and making it a reality for millions of Bihar residents. The Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is the political leader of the year.
Nitish's response to the flood crisis didn't go unrecognized. He was even chosen as the CNN-IBN Politician of the Year. Recognition perhaps for someone who had changed the perception of the typical North Indian politician.
ये मेरे जैसे आदमी के लिए ये अवार्ड नहीं है, बल्कि एक गरीब और पिछड़े राज्य बिहार के लिए है, जो धीरे धीरे तरक्की के रास्ते पर बढ़ रहा है.
But there is more to Nitish Kumar's politics than just the credo of good governance. Lalu Yadav was always a Yadav chieftain, heavily reliant on his Muslim Yadav vote bank. Nitish is a Kurmi, a caste just as large and powerful as the Yadavs. Like Lalu, Nitish too has begun his own experiment at social engineering. Realizing the limits of a purely backward caste vote bank, Nitish has tried to bring other groups into a social coalition. He's reached out to the Mahadalits, Muslims and the extreme backward caste who make up almost 40% of Bihar's 9 crore population. If Lalu is the supreme leader of the RJD, Nitish too is becoming a one-man show. In Lalu's time, the CM's residence was always buzzing with activity. Now it's a silent fortress and the CM can be met by appointment only. He rules his party, the JDU, with an iron fist, confident enough even to refuse a ticket to his one-time mentor, George Fernandes, and unconcerned about losing many one-time loyalists.
संसद सदस्य बनने के लिए हमें किसी की मेहरबानी की जरूरत नहीं है.
Respect is not demanded, it is commanded. If you do your own work, people will remember your work.
Development, social coalition, an autocratic and aloof style. Nitish is now attempting to redefine political charisma and become a prototype of the new Indian Chief Minister. By drawing a constant contrast with Lalu's theatrical misgovernance, he is offering a real challenge to the man who was once his colleague in politics.
लालू भी अपने परिवार में सिमट कर रह गए. नीतीश कुमार ही एक ऐसा नेता बने जो कभी भी अपने परिवारवाद में विश्वास नहीं रखते.
Ironically, most political observers had written off Nitish Kumar just 5 years ago. His one shot at chief ministership in 2000 had lasted just 7 days. The government propped up by criminals. Accused of poor political management, he was struggling to keep his party together. But one day in the year 2005 would change it all. The Bihar elections had thrown up a hung assembly, and just when it looked like Nitish had the numbers to form a government, President Kalam signed a midnight proclamation dissolving the Bihar Assembly and imposing President's rule in the state. The people's verdict had been declared null and void. Nitish had been stopped in his tracks, many said, by Lalu in connivance with the Bihar governor, Budha Singh. Suddenly, Nitish, the silent Bihari, was transformed into Nitish, the political martyr. In the November polls, Nitish roared to power with 143 seats, vowing to destroy Lalu's jungle Raj. As he was being sworn in, Bihar was witnessing a change in guard. Lalu was out, Nitish was in. The new chief minister got down to business right away, working 18 hours a day, transforming his state as well as his own image. He not only worked hard, he made sure he was seen to be working hard. And just 4 years later, he is a national figure.
So it's not a satisfaction, it was a challenge for me. We all were fighting from 94 itself.
After the break on Kings and Queens, how the son of an Ayurvedic doctor has become Bihar's new faith healer.
I was never attracted to Congress party, and I can't say how I became anti-Congress.
Why this time it's the silent Bihari who is hoping to have the last roar.